Which green tea item really should you buy? A guide to picking and shopping for the right green tea health supplements for your personally. We see ads of them all over the place, from newsprint to catalogs to posters and many, especially in the net sector. Full internet websites are focused on giving information regarding green tea dietary supplements, and countless number of emails and newsletters are sent out every single day, selling the equally many unique items that are now readily available. It's a growing and remarkably rewarding market that is prospering for a superior reason. Green tea actually delivers on its assurance. Not like other supposedly beneficial nutritional supplements, green tea has 1,000 of precise clinical and human trial research built within the previous few decades that have shown conclusive evidence they do quite a few with the promises manufactured about their overall health benefiting houses. The question is, which beauty product or service should really we think about? A lot of individuals presently know the many health advantages which might be derived within the ingestion of green tea. And even though quite a few research have presently been made to bolster these therapeutic and medicinal homes, lengthy well known to males, several new discoveries have also been uncovered, expanding the well-being benefiting values that green tea possesses, and it appears the tip is nowhere in sight. But what we all know now, and what present-day science has established to date, are presently ample plenty of to lift the recognition of green tea to epic proportions, and generate a huge current market demand within the well-being and wellness market. The two most popular kinds which green tea is currently being made commercially out there during the marketplace at this time is through dietary supplement kind, where green tea extracts are capsuled. Plus the other is through a consume kind, whether or not inside a liquid focus or even the standard tea bags or loose leaf sort able to be brewed. A lot of people desire getting green tea within a capsule or health supplement kind for just a number of explanations. Some, since it is considered the most easy kind of ingesting the vitamins and minerals found from the green tea leaves, while other people favor getting capsule nutritional supplements of green tea simply because they never just like the style of the brewed concoction. Numerous of such green tea capsules are marketed as dietary supplements, especially formulated for aiding weight loss software programs, as literally is the primary marketplace for green tea products and solutions currently. While this is certainly one of the many setup gains that green tea is known to provide, it truly is only one of several really benefiting features that people can derive from this wonder plant. Apart from both of these more popular commercial forms of green tea, a new kind is quick emerging and gaining rank as being the favored alternative on the current market. Edible green tea, no matter whether in powdered or whole tea leaf sort, has demonstrated to get one of the most successful means of introducing the antioxidants we crave for from this tea variant. Edible green tea leaves makes it possible for us to wholly extract and absorb the strong polyphenols like AGCG, which green tea is ample without losing of any of it. Contrary to brewed green tea, exactly where significantly in the antioxidants are still left on the leaves that we throw away immediately after getting steeped. Edible green tea retains each of the useful vitamins and minerals on the leaves, directly introducing them to our technique when eaten. Capsule green tea extracts may seem to own the very similar impact, but thanks to the mass generation procedure and the natural processing strategies, they can even be stripped off of numerous of their important properties. Green tea is full of well-being marketing nutrients and ranks greatest between all other tea variants when it comes to therapeutic and medicinal material as they are subjected to your smallest amount of processing. If any additional harming processes are utilized to it, then it is bound to get rid of the really necessities most of the people go to extract from it. Consuming green tea gives you the top choice for having the best number of health marketing and inducing antioxidants into your procedure without the need to consume about 10 to 12 cups of brewed green tea every day. As a result, we the moment yet again go back into the dilemma: which green tea, edible one that is, definitely, should really we take into consideration? The sole edible green tea items that you just should preserve in mind are all those that happen to be qualified to get organically developed, tested, no cost from hefty metals, and also other harmful supplies, grown underneath the strictest problems, harvested through the best tea vegetation, and guaranteed for being the purest edible green tea available today.